If you need to find your iPhone's IMEI code, you've come to the right place. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to locate your IMEI using the methods demonstrated on screen. Let's get started. The IMEI, or International Mobile Equipment Identity, is a unique number assigned to every mobile device. It works like a fingerprint for your phone, allowing carriers and manufacturers to identify it. Knowing your IMEI can be crucial if you need technical support, want to unlock your phone from a carrier, or if your device is lost or stolen. The first method is through the Settings app. Unlock your iPhone and open the Settings app from your home screen. Scroll down and tap on General. From here, select About. This page contains detailed information about your iPhone, including its IMEI number. Scroll down until you see IMEI listed. If you need to copy it, just press and hold the number, and a copy option will appear. Another method is by using a special dial code. Open the phone app and go to the keypad. Here, dial *#06#. The moment you enter this code, your screen will instantly display the IMEI number. No need to press the call button, it will appear automatically. Finally, if you still have the original iPhone box, you can check the label on the back. Apple prints the IMEI number on the packaging, making it easy to find even if you don't have access to your phone. And that's it! Now you know multiple ways to find your iPhone's IMEI code. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss any future tips and tricks.